Let's go ahead and move over to our roll of SoundSkins Pro, where we're going to cut our shape of our vapor barrier. Now, the other thing we're going to do is we're going to improve upon the existing design a little bit. So we're going to use the vapor barrier as a template. But as I look at this, you can see, you know, there's a groove here and we hit our posts. We can go a little bit wider and still fit in some places. Now, one place where we can go much wider, and because more barrier the better, right? So as we get up in here, as you can see, there's a lot of space where we could come all the way out in extra space, and then we can cut a circle for the speaker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the existing vapor barrier as a template, but when I get to this curve, I'm going to leave myself some extra so I can come out further all through here and have that be rolled out as well, and then I'll cut out the speaker. Okay, so let's move over and get that cut out. Okay, so if you forgive the afternoon shadows here, as you can see, this is my big roll of SoundSkins Pro Plus. So it's a bigger roll, and I want to always maintain as much material and not waste material if I can help it. So I take my existing vapor barrier, lay it out as a template here right to the edge. Now, the other thing we're going to do is, I mentioned a few minutes ago, we have the airbag here that actually sets back in a little bit. So I'm actually going to cut a little bit extra material in this area so I can press the SoundSkins back in to make a little bit of a depression there. So just take a pencil, work your way around, and outline the existing design. Now, as I mentioned a second ago, the other thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to draw up like this and draw a big extra area here at the top. I'm going to fill in this entire area right here, because that's going to be the area that, like I said, I'm going to fill in around that speaker, and I'm going to improve upon this existing design. So just work my pencil around. It's really nice to be able to use this as a template, just like that. There we go. All right, so go ahead and just take a pair of good scissors or shears, and I'm going to just kind of mark where the existing one was, so I just have it for a frame of reference like that, and then there you go. So I've got it all nice and outlined. Set that aside. Take a good pair of scissors. Go ahead and cut your way all the way around. Take this and pick it up, and we'll take it back to the door.